Welcome to Ramjet Bros. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I've been dealing with trying to make milk tarts in a microwave. So I managed to get a recipe that you can do in 2.5 minutes. So what we're going to do, you're going to make the batter. You're going to put it in the microwave for a minute, take it out, mix it, put it for another minute, mix it, put it for like 15 seconds, mix it, put it for another 15 seconds and mix it. All depends how your microwave works. And for the base, I made a quick base that I was just too lazy to make. So I say best result for you to do is either crush up some Mario biscuits or some tennis biscuits, mix it with some butter, make a nice firmish doughish, and then just squash it into a pan, put it into the fridge for about an hour, then make the mixture, then pour the mixture in, put it in the fridge, and it should be done to eat within an hour or so. Just wait for it to cool down so it solidifies a bit so it's not too wet. So let's get to it. What we're going to need for the pastry base is 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of yogurt or sour milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 cup of flour. First process, we're going to mix our butter and flour till we get a nice crumb consistency, mix in our sugar, and then mix in our yogurt until we get a nice soft dough. Then we're going to roll it out and put it into a pan, put it into the oven at 200 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. For the filling of the milk tart, you will need 1 cup of milk, half a cup of condensed milk, 1 egg, and 2.5 teaspoons of corn flour. First thing we're going to do, we're going to warm our milk in a microwave for a minute. Then we're going to mix in our corn flour, and we're going to beat our egg, mix it in nicely, and then we're going to add in our condensed milk. Put it into the microwave for a minute at a time, and each time after a minute you're going to mix it. We're going to do this for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. After the 2 minutes and 30 seconds, you're going to mix it nicely. Then you can pour it into your casings with your Okay, so now that's done. This is what my mini milk tart looks like with the base that I made and the batter. And here's the bigger one that I did as well. As you can see, looks really good. I'll show you what the slice looks like. Slice looks like this. Doesn't look too bad. Has a nice wobble to it. It tastes really good. And quick and easy. All depends how you like it. The base isn't too bad, but if you like a bit more crispy base, I would suggest doing it with biscuits and the butter and squeezing that into a tin. So enjoy guys, and don't forget to subscribe. There's more videos coming up, a lot more interesting things coming up. If you have any suggestions of what you'd like me to make, please let me know, and we'll go forward from there.